Give it a minute, baby. Don't let it fall.
Yeah, I'm not trying to. I'm just making sure, like, it's clicking.
He is over 6 feet tall. I think he's like 6'5". And that's what the website said.
And then we're gonna want to get there. Thing. Oh yeah, we're gonna. Give me a second. So you do all that first. Do all that stuff. Yeah. Now I don't know if he's gonna fit where I'm gonna put him.
I don't know how you're going to put him in your room.
I don't know where I'm gonna put him.
I have no clue, baby.
I don't know if I'm gonna have that room. Alright, do all that.
What are you eating?
Want me to help? Got it? Are you done?
Not yet. Give me a second. I got it.
Alright. I'm just
You want your foot switch on this one, or you want him just activating when you plug it in?
well, give me a second. Give me a second. Here.
No, you don't. You don't.
Why?
It's got a finger thing on here. Yeah. Push it in and it automatically comes undone. Like that.
Alright.
Here's the volume. Here's the, give me the back.
Yep.
And then we'll have to plug in the
Oh,
power.
here.
Okay.
So, put it in. Now I'm shaking.
Are you excited?
Well, I'm just,
Okay.
I'm just scared it don't fall because
He
he's
ain't gonna fall.
tall. And tall animatronics, I am kind of afraid of, like, of them falling or whatever.
He ain't gonna fall.
Oh, yeah. He'll be okay, baby. I promise.
Okay, so then this.
But the show must go on.
Alright, anybody want to take this power cord and hold it?
Well,
There's your set back.
now where's the thingy? Where's the?
It's on the deep freeze, baby. Now, if you don't want your mom to see what you got her, then you're going to have to
What's he wanting?
just bring the foot cord, the foot pad.
Okay.
All right, show everybody your foot pad.
What?
Show everybody your foot pad. Okay.
Alright, open it up. And
Actually, this was a lot quicker than it was for the Carnival Creeper or the Jumping Spider.
okay, where's the
He had it. I'm not sure where he had it at, but he had it.
where's the thing that goes like that?
Yeah, Levi just had it. Do you need help? Oh, it looks like blood.
I was like tilting, like I did that. All right.
Alright, we're gonna do that.
Something's missing. But the show must go on. Did you plug them?
Yep.
Welcome to my lonely circus. You want to see a message? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear.
Hold on, Levi.
I'm gonna take your soul.
I want you to activate him again.
I'm gonna take your soul.
Alright? I want you to activate him again. Let Nana do another video of you activating him.
No,
Okay?
I don't like how he like leans back.